I'm recently registered real estate salesperson. I want to stay in this field until I retire. What are your tips for achieving long-term success in this industry? I'm not a real estate person. I'm a businessman. In any business, ang long-term key to success is consistency. Anong consistency? When I say consistency, kanina may nagtanong, di ba? What's the most important habit a businessman should develop? I did not talk about the habit. I talked about the trait, humility. Now, if you want to stay in the real estate industry for a long time, be consistent, work hard, recognize that your success depends on you, on your hard work. Do not think that your success will depend on the economy, on other people. It will always be you. Ako, yan ang belief ko sa negosyo. It's just you. It's just about you. In fact, that's my belief in life. What is life all about? It's just you. It's not about other people. It's not about your circumstances. It's about how you respond to people and how you respond to your circumstances. I don't know if I answered you properly, no? Kasi mahaba yung sagot dyan sa how do you maintain long-term success. Ako, I always believe success is more about character, not skills. Kasi skills can be learned. Character needs to be developed. Okay?